Morning. Just wanted to tell you a little story about when I first started Fuel Exhausts. I was looking for a tooling company to press my caps out, and I happened to go and see a friend of mine who's a very good British motorcycle racer, who was already pressing out caps, and he offered to press them out for me. So this was 20 years ago. And this is my point about British manufacturing. He's been making the caps for me now for 20 years. When I first went round, his young boy was probably, I don't know, maybe a few years old. And now his son actually works for him. So to me, buying British is really, really important. Many times over the years, people have asked me, oh, you should send them out to China, you should farm the job out to there, it's cheaper, you can save money. And I know saving money is the name of the game, but in my eyes, it's more important to support British businesses. And it's great to see that now, because obviously his son now works for him, he presses the caps out, they both work together, it's a family firm, and I'm proud to be associated with them, really. I mean, they do a fantastic job, and I just wanted to say thank you very much to Al, Julie and Luke, and I hope we can keep working together, and you know, it's a great thing that I'm associated with them. Hopefully they like that too, I don't know, but that's my story, and 20 years on, I'm proud to say I still buy British. Thanks a lot.